I love the look of burnt wood signs. I wanted to learn to make them myself, but when I looked into it, you had to buy expensive products and chemicals, and it was quite the process. I want to share with you this safe and easy way to make custom burnt wood signs without the chemical mess and fumes. And best of all, I got it for under $20. Let's get started.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Okay, now I'm just going to give you a few tips to making your wood burning project a success. The first thing that I do is I take the shapes and make a circle, and I make it the same size as the wood that I'm putting it on. So for instance, for this one I'm going to do a 9-inch circle. So make sure you measure prior to doing your creation. And then just so I have an idea, I'm just going to make mine a lighter wood so I can kind of see what it'll look like. And then the next thing I want to give as a tip would be whatever your text is going to be and images. For instance, let's see, home sweet home. My suggestion is to make sure that everything that you have for your circle, if you have images or flowers or shapes or anything else, is to go ahead and hide your circle first, and then you want to highlight everything and you want to attach. That way when you go to print, it will all print in the same thing and you don't have to cut it apart and try to position and make it spaced evenly. You do waste just a little bit more vinyl by doing this, but it will save you a huge headache if you just do it all in one big sheet instead of cutting apart each word and image and trying to piece it onto your circle. And those are my tips that I have to make your project a success. I hope you enjoy this.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.